In this lecture, I say what is named route. Named route allows the convenient generation of URLs or redirect for a special route. If open terminals and write PHP artisan route, if okay PHP artisan and check route route list. Okay, PHP artisan route list. We have this route on Laravel, API user and other. API user in defined in routes API and API user. Okay, I say article, blog, course and other, and we can see course get, course post and other for check, Udemy get, Udemy post. Okay, I see a name for routes and this is empty and we can define route name. Okay, I define route name for post or get. I define for get name Udemy. Okay, if run route list, name is Udemy. Okay, I say for post name you, just define you for simply. Okay, I refresh PHP artisan and see post is you. Okay, I open in form and action define route you. For define in Laravel we can define this and write route. Okay, I define this and open this page and Ctrl F5 and inspect for form. See, I define route U and access form Udemy. Okay, and type name so hit submit, it is work. We can use name any routes and use any form and other